How to create card whip transition in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Drag the first video to above track and drag the second video under it to have some overlap. Now in the effects panel, search for transform and add it to the top video. Move the playhead to the position you want the transition to start happening, then click on the stopwatch next to position under transform effect to create a starting keyframe. Hold down the shift key and press the right arrow key to go forward 5 frames and increase position first value until the video is out of the frame from the right side. To smoothen the transition, expand the position property, then select the first keyframe and drag its handle to the right and bottom to add curve to the line. To add some motion blur to the transition, uncheck the Use Compositions shutter angle and set shutter angle to 180. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.